Are you tired of not being able to make good videos? Are you upset because your videos suck? Are you sad because you can't make good videos like PriGo? Are you thinking of quitting because you're not as famous as PriGo?
Wait, what? Who?
Well, if the answer is yes, you have came to the absolute wrong place. Because even I don't know how to make videos. And who the hell is PriGo? Speak for yourself, because I'm famous. Who are you? Never mind. What's up, guys? PriGo here. Someone actually commented on my video a while back and he wanted to know how I make my videos. Basically, what stuff I use, how do I edit my videos, and what all I do from recording a video to uploading it. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how do I make my videos. I'm sorry for responding a little late, but at least something is better than nothing. If you guys want to see a more detailed version of this video, then make sure to smash that like button. Let's go for 30 likes on this video for episode number 2, and let's get started. Alright guys, so let's just start with the recording of my videos. For recording my face cams, I use a Nikon digital camera something. I don't really know its name. I think it's something cool because I'm trying to read it off the camera. But currently it's standing over some boxes right now, which is pretty funny because I left my tripod at my friend's place and due to this quarantine lockdown thing, I can't get it back. So break. But I use this camera to record my face cam, which is, to be honest, not needed at all because smartphones these days can do most of your job. Even if you don't have a camera, you can just use your smartphone to record your face cam. Now, in order to record gameplays on my phone, I basically use a free-to-use app called AZ Screen Recorder app. It's completely free. It's quite safe as well. It records your gameplay at a really good quality, at a really good frame rate. Plus, it records your audio as well as your game audio, as well as your friend's audio. So I personally think that it's an all-rounder. I personally have used it for like 2-3 years, and I think it's one of the best free-to-use apps on your phone to record your gameplay. I'll put the link in the description and it's absolutely reliable. You can check it out. On my computer, in order to record my gaming videos, well, I don't really do gaming a lot on my PC because I don't have a really good gaming PC. But if I do, I basically use the inbuilt game capture, which is built onto your GPU, which is your graphics card. And if your graphics card has something like this, a game capture, it's the best thing in the world. You can use it to record your gameplay on your PC. Trust me, it's better than any third-party recording software. But if your PC doesn't have this software or for some reason you don't want to use it, I have some suggestions for you all. You can use OBS, which is an absolutely free to use software. A lot of YouTubers actually use it to record their gameplays. Then there's Fraps, which I believe is free. Also there's Bandicam, which is actually a paid software, but you can use the free version which provides you with 10 minutes of recording, but it also has a watermark which can easily be removed. You see, I'm such a great YouTuber that I use life hacks. Now for recording audio, I use the Boya BY M1 lavalier microphone, which I'm currently using as well. I have a review and unboxing video of this thingy on the channel, so you can check it out. Plus for my gaming videos, I most of the time use the inbuilt mic in my earphones, which also does the job pretty well. In order to edit my audios, I use Audacity on my PC, which is absolutely a free software. It does pretty much everything you want to do to your audio. It cuts and splits, plus it removes the background noise. On top of that, you can equalize your audio, increase the bass boost, treble boost, add all kinds of plugins, amplify. Being a free software, it does a lot. Audio is like one of the most important things when it comes to filmmaking business. It's even more important than your video quality. Audio quality matters a lot. And I personally have neglected my audio quality, which I'm not really proud of at all. I want to improve my audio quality and I've already started working on it, and in the future I will keep on upgrading my audio. So if you guys are also thinking of starting a YouTube channel, just focus on the audio more than the video. That's a good tip right there. Now that's all for recording. Now it comes to the big league. How do I edit my videos? This is like one of the biggest questions across YouTube or across any other filmmaking or video making platform. How do you edit videos? Because finding a good editing program is really difficult these days, which is free. But I'm about to tell you guys some of the softwares that I have used and are completely free. In order to edit my videos, I use a software called VSDC, which is an absolutely free to use software. You can download it on our PC. Plus, it's not even a heavy software, which means you don't require a great PC in order to run this software. I've used it for almost 3 years and I still use it. It's really a good program, and I would really recommend it to you if you're just starting off YouTube or you want to try your hand in video editing. Another software which I use is Shortcut. Now, I haven't really used this software as much as I've used VSDC, but it is also a really good program. It's not difficult to use. It's a little bit more advanced than VSDC, I believe, but this also does the job really well. This is also completely free software. You guys can use it. I'll put the links in the description. Now, another software that I use, which is a paid software, but it's a really good program. I use Adobe Premiere Pro to edit my videos as well. Now, I wouldn't recommend you guys this software if you're just starting off YouTube or you're just getting your hands on editing, because I don't want you guys to waste money on these softwares. First, I would recommend you to try out those other softwares, VSDC and Shortcut, and start learning how to edit videos and use those programs for a bit. And once you have mastered those programs or you are enjoying editing, then you can upgrade to other softwares. Plus, you don't even have to buy an advanced editing software because there are many more free to download editing softwares on computers. Some of them are HitFilm and DaVinci Resolve. If you guys want to see a list of free to use editing softwares, then make sure to tell me in the comment section down below. But if you're just starting off YouTube and you're just starting how to edit videos, then I would really recommend that you should use VSDC and Shortcut, because those programs are really good softwares. I personally like them. I still use them up to date for some of the videos. This video is not sponsored, but yeah, those two are really good softwares. Now we're coming down to the last step and one of the most important steps of YouTube: making good thumbnails for your videos. I personally don't use Photoshop to make my thumbnails, which you can probably tell. I use websites like canva.com and Pixlr to make my thumbnails, and in my opinion, these two websites are really good to make your thumbnails. I've used them for a couple of years and I would really recommend it to you if you also want to make thumbnails for your videos. Plus, they're absolutely free, so if you don't want to spend any money on Photoshop, you can use them. Then once I've made the thumbnail and the video is ready, I just hit upload and wait for my video to get uploaded, which usually takes a couple of days because my net is really great. That rhymes, I should be a rapper. Once the video is up, I just sit back and read your comments. It's like one of the most fun part of YouTube, reading your comments. It's really amazing. You guys praising me and writing those funny and cool comments makes me really happy and motivates me to make more amazing videos for you guys. But those were all the tips that I had, and this was how I make my videos. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I really hope that you guys learned something new today. And if you did, then make sure to smash that like button. At 30 likes, I'm going to be uploading an episode 2, a more detailed version of this video. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.